Hello and welcome everyone to our YouTube channel. So today we're going to be introducing a new build to our channel, which is a 2009 Mercedes Benz ML 350, which we're going to be rebuilding. Has a big accident on the front, has a lot of damage. We did pull the hood before, just so we can open it to check and assess the damage. So it doesn't run nor start. Gonna have a lot of work to do, electrical, mechanical, and also, well, framing. So fortunately the frames are fine, but the apron is, well, it's junk, busted. Yep. So the apron took most of the damage. Got a, well, if you look like this, the hood looks a little bit bent. So gonna be
Fixable.
fixable, everything fixable. So we're gonna be making a lot of pulls, we'll be straightening a lot of metal, and also changing a lot of parts. So stay tuned for this series. So now we're gonna do a little bit of a walk around the car, assess the damage, point out the damaged parts and what needs to be replaced. So starting at the front, have this grill which is busted when it mounts, so we need a new grill. The hood, of course, we're gonna need a new hood. This is the aluminum. So the front bumper is cracked and also cracked where it mounts. We're gonna need a new bumper and a new bumper bracket. Also, if you look closely, you can tell by the way that it is that the fog lamp is busted, along with its
Cover.
cover. The tow hitch cover also is busted. You see the
Front right headlight.
front light, headlight.
It's actually in the trunk. We're
Yeah,
gonna show
it's
it
actually
to
in
you.
the trunk. I'm gonna show it to you in a minute. All this front brackets and stuff gonna be replaced. Of course, we're gonna pull it out, taking everything out first, and then we're gonna replace them. Now here we have, well, looks crooked, but it is a fender. Of course, it's gonna be replaced. It's also aluminum, so we're gonna pull it out first because the door's, well, jammed. So the door does not open. I'm gonna need to pull it out, straighten a little bit of the apron mounts and stuff, so we can remove it. As for the hood, we did already pull it from here because it was stuck. Did a small pull on the hood, and also we got everything. So
As you guys see,
As you
the
guys see.
radiator is pushed backwards.
So, yep, we're gonna need to pull the radiator support and also possibly be replacing it too.
The fans, the
We
AC
don't know
condenser.
the health of the fans yet. Might be busted, might be not. So the AC condenser is charged. We did check it from this hose, this leader valve or foot valve. So a quick way to check and see if the condenser is health and if the AC system is charged is by pushing. See, it's charged. So we know the condenser is fine. We don't know if it's gonna stay fine after pulling and straightening stuff out. It's also bent, so we're gonna need to check into that. Also on this side we have, well, on both sides the hood hinges are warped, so gonna need new hood hinges also. Now, if we focus over here and or over here, well, the fuse box is out of order, so yep, we'll be replacing the whole fuse box. Maybe not. We'll see. Also, we have the latches of the hood. This one also is broken. Let's move to the back side. guys, so this is the headlight that took the damage. Well,
It was a headlight.
it was a headlight. Now it is a, well, a thing. Now, as you can tell, it has a little bit of damage on the back of the bumper. We're going to be addressing that along the way. So the plan of today's video is we're going to be focusing on the hugely bent parts. So we're going to be pulling the hood, pulling the fender, and also trying to see why the car won't start, which is, well, it's obvious. All the fuse box is junk, so we're going to be maybe replacing some relays and also maybe hot wiring some stuff. So we're gonna straighten everything out so that nothing is binding against the fuse box and it's free. Then we're gonna see what's wrong and fix it and start it up. And after that, I'm gonna start the disassembly. Let's head straight to work. We're gonna be using a genius method pulling this out. Okay guys, so as you can tell by the way that I look, it has been a month since last time we talked about the Mercedes Benz here. Now we're gonna start, as we said, in a couple of seconds for you, a couple of weeks for us. We're gonna be pulling the damage out. Okay guys, so as you can tell, we're in the middle of effing nowhere. So we have no frame machine whatsoever over here. We only have some trees and a truck, so which we are gonna be utilizing to pulling this frame out. We may be using this emergency winch used in off-roading, and also might be using a tow strap wrapped around the frame of the truck, put it in reverse and drop the clutch. So as you saw guys, we got a Japanian frame machine. Pulls frames like you would not believe. Now I'm gonna pull this side towards the fender, outside also. As you can see, we have a humanly powered frame machine. So yeah. Giving it some love taps to hold everything in place and to release the pressure points of the, so it won't pull back in. This is all gonna be replaced. Radiator support, of course, obviously the fender, the apron, and a lot of stuff. So you have no worries. You guys, so this premium quality frame machine has a quick release. Just Press on the brakes, release the handbrake, push the clutch, hit the brakes. And give her a little push. And don't forget to release the four-wheel drive. Now, quick release. As you can tell, our pulling straps, also known as old seat belts, are stuck. Get out of here. Give it back. Get out of here. Help me understand. Okay guys, so as you saw, we made this access point to pull the fender from it. So now we pulled on it until it starts ripping out, so we're gonna use this hammer again and hit down the stress points so it will stay in place and won't coil back to where it was before. Making a new access hole to pull from. Guys, so now I'm taking the side skirt out because, well, to reach the bolts, the bottom bolts of the fender, you gotta take the side skirt because they are under it. So taking the side skirt down so we can fully remove the fender and then assess the damage. Okay guys, so now we got finally done unbolting the fender. Those two bolts were buried under everything. I had to unbolt half of the truck, half the car to get to those bolts. Anyway, now we're gonna do a little bit more pulling on the radiator support. Then we're gonna replace some relays and some fuses. As you can tell, they are all busted, as we said before. The old me, 2 months earlier. Now we're gonna do some pulling and then try to start her up. Now we're gonna adjust the location of the pulling post. Okay guys, so we got a bunch of parts for the car from the junkyard, along with a couple of relays that are broken, and we have a lot of small parts that we're gonna show you sometime soon. Anyway, these are the broken relays that we will be replacing. Okay. Yep. This one is broken too. Identical. And also this one. Well, they might still be fine, but they're broken from the outside. Moisture and stuff might get inside, so to prevent that, a couple of bucks in the junkyard, brand new. Guys, so this is the positive terminal of the fuse box, so to prevent it from shorting to here. Yup. Sealed. Always check the oil on a truck that's checked. Full. Better be safe than sorry. Also, we're gonna check the I'm now hooking up the negative battery terminal because we took it out when we got the car, so the battery won't drain. Okay guys, so we got all the bolts of the fender liner loose. Now help me understand. Now we got everything out of the way. We can turn the car on, hopefully. Now, we attempted to replace the relays and start the truck because we know this is the starter relay. So, well, probably this is what's causing it not to run. So now, hopefully, it will crank and run perfectly smoothly. Hopefully. Okay, guys, not only the FJ45, we've restored it on the channel and a lot of stuff also. And as you saw, it's a frame machine, so pulled everything out using it. And also, it's a booster pack, so we're gonna hook it to the positive terminal here, and we're gonna crank it up using the power of the FJ45. The gift that keeps on giving. Priming the fuel system. Okay guys, so we ended up removing the fuse box, a couple of connectors, as you can see, all marked and they are all different, so they can't be mismatched. And this smells burnt, so we're gonna try to open it up, see if it's fixable from the inside, and if it's not, we're gonna need to get a new one. So we got all the OEM relays installed, they work fine, but smoke started coming out of the ports, so we immediately backed up and shut everything down, removed the battery cables and stuff. Hopefully this is fixable. If it's not, I'm gonna end up changing it. Okay guys, so as you saw, we got a lot done today. We pulled the main damage out, straightened a lot of stuff, and also we took out the fender, the front, the right side of the radiator support and stuff, and along with the fender liner. And also we tried to start the car and it didn't start because of the burnt fuse box. We removed that too, and we have reached the end of part 1 of the ML rebuild series. In the next video we're gonna be pulling some more on the apron here, and we're gonna be removing the hood and possibly the front bumper and stuff, and we might be start laying down some new parts, and we're gonna show you other new parts that we got. The main thing, we're gonna make sure the engine turns over and starts fine. With that being said, thanks a lot for watching. Hopefully you liked the video and you're gonna like the series also. Make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, comment down below. See you on the next one. Peace.